That will pave the way for true AGI, artificial general intelligence, where I've had some people that work for one of the companies I mentioned in the feudalism portion of today's program, that I believe that's where we get to the point where a lot of our stuff that happens, a lot of the things that happen to us in life are just automatically happening. It's actually going to happen in probably 2 or 3 years. But the end game for where we'll be in 2032, 2035 is going to be much more fluid, both in a utopian and a dystopic way, I can assure you. It's not going to be all roses for everybody. And I think there were some ways that Paul is being able to characterize that right now that absolutely makes sense. So to wrap it up, you and your clients establish a data intelligence task force. This isn't just 1 or 2 people that are experimenting and then sharing that at the boardroom. This is about finding people from every line of business, especially everybody who's customer facing. They need to start having lunch together and having monthly meetings to talk about what is it we're going to do with our data. Not what is it we're going to do with AI, because AI can't do anything unless the data is taken care of. What are we going to do, and how are we going to do it, and how are we going to collectively invest in what it takes to bring data governance, data surety, and automation, artificial intelligence across the organization. Building the golden customer record, right? Building the single record for every single customer that exists somewhere in the cloud, in a CDP, maybe even a CRM, if CRMs can get there. I think we leave CRMs behind, to be honest. I think we move to CDPs, and then we move to just AI. That's the interfaces go away because we just have things that we can talk to, or we have things that we can query or prompt, and they give us exactly what we would have looked up or what we would have searched for in any of those systems. Put yourself in a place where you've got the best segmentation of your audience, understanding that there's no such thing as persona marketing anymore. There's archetypical marketing. The demand side platforms are all built for it already. They're looking for you to come to them and say, listen, I found 1,000 different behavioral attributes of my customers. And they'll say, all right, guess what? We have 998 of them. We have those people that are clicking on ads through our networks, through what we do. Real-time journey analytics, not customer journey mapping, not something that we all hole up in a room for 4 hours and eat pizza and say, let's talk about who our personas is and how do they become a journey? You know, how do they become a customer over a journey? Those days are behind us. Customer journey analytics, especially as things are changing as fast as they are, your customer behavior is going to change month over month, if not more frequently than that. You have to get to a point where you've got real-time journey analytics. Go into this understanding where you can create efficiencies and streamlined operations. Going out and licensing and putting a credit card down to use 5 different language models and 5 or 6 different generative AI platforms is not how you do this. Spend a little time, prove what works, communicate all that within your task force, and then make an investment in the 1, the 2, the 3, and the other systems you need to be there, and make sure that you're providing some type of cost benefit, streamlined operation with every investment you make.